Ay, mga t-shirt na ano, Virginia. Yung mga Ami, ito, dito. Dito. Ito.
Ang ganda ng t-shirt ah.
Hindi mo yung namimili oh.
I like the font.
Nasa counter. Ito 9. Tingin lang muna tayo. Huwag muna kayong bumili.
Adriana, this is good for her. Because she's so skinny. This is good, right? Yeah, it's gonna be big.
Good sound?
Yeah.
Wala yung nagiging nickname sa atin. Charles! Ayan, nakasira na siya. Put it back!
Mom?
What's that?
Boutique.
That's not boutique.
Not a wizard.
Huh?
Oh, ito. Permint ako.
Boutique ba to?
Yes. Got it.
Tinatakot sino?
Got the wrong tail. Ah!
Mas mahal. Okay na ako dito. Come on, let's go. Gimme what you're gonna buy.
Sa loob.
Gimme what you're gonna buy.
Oh my God.
Mommy, can I have it so I can pay for it?
Stop it on my back.
Throw it back.
Bilang malili yun.
Ay, ano po ba yun?
Yeah.
Sa inyo po ito?
Huh?
Can you hold your stuff?
Ano sa'yo?
Yung hat.
Ang laki naman ng sticker. Sige.
That's magnet.
Magnet to?
Ito sa'yo, sticker.
Yay, sticker.
Yung ganito, te. Apa?
Okay.
Ito.
Stay weird. Yes, I will stay weird. Thank you.
Kinuha mo to? Huh? Yes. Yeah? We'll see the beach.
That's on my feet.
We can wash it.
Oh yes.
It's cold here. Let's see where we can go from the beach.
Daddy, talking woman.
Public parking. Saan ba yan?
Tayo natin yun.
Apa?
Ang arte lang ako.
Ayun daw, punta lang tayo kay Aquaman. Tapos balik na.
Walang mermaid.
Bakit? Andyan yung si Mermaid.
Hold it.
Naligaw si dinosaur sa dagat.
Lalabas siya dyan. At least pag may picture na tayo nung Aquaman, nakarating na tayo sa Virginia Beach. Mga mermaid lang yan. Buti pa si Namnam naglalakad. Laki-laki.
See? Yan.
Saya pa siya.
Ito ka lang dyan, kape-kape.
Wala nagkakape dyan.
Only mo. Pants, wala ba akong dala? Sa Pilipinas, magtayo siya ng scholarship ng mga bata. Popondohan niya. Ganun siya kabait.
See?
Malapit na tayo.
Oh.
Kay Aquaman.
Di ba?
Lapit na tayo kay Aquaman.
Wow, galing ni Nam Nam. Powerful. Nag-enjoy siya sa atin eh. Ngayon lang nakasama dito ng mga bata. Oh my goodness. What kind of jump is that?
Dito tayo. Pwede na tayo rito. Ito, maganda rito.
Tawag.
Basahin mo doon.
Napadisappoint ako, Aquaman.
Basahin mo.
Neptune ano siya, Daddy? Neptune Festival sila.
Vietnam, let's do this. Hoy, pengi ako tubig. Hindi ako binigyan ng charge.
Sa pag matapon yung trash sa house. Yung white.
Para di masyado malamig. Malamig masyado.
Oh no. I don't want, it won't happen when mommy's around.
Ay, look, look. I love hot mommy. I am wifey hubby. So cheesy.
Open, nami tolo. Mami.
Or get one.
Yes.
Huh? But it's too big. Finally, a small one. Windam din palang Ramada na to.
We're going back.
Saan tayong internet dito?
Oh, there's one on two.
Ano daw? Sweet frog?
Yoga, parang hinihan ng mga...
Are you singing?
Siya ito yung pachi mo, ano? Dahil nabigay siya.
Yung bus nila, kakaiba.
God, I almost seen Katie Sunshine.
Ganda ito yung blue. Blue hour yung sunset. I don't need Google. My wife knows everything. Mabili nga yun.
Karoon sa siya ng bagong sa store.
Binubuhat nga siya.
Mabait kasi si Number eh. Hindi nakaharap.
Oo, sinira yung bracelet si ate.
There's 613 laws, statutes, and commandments that we were supposed to do. Day to day, day in, day out, sun up to sundown. Read.
Which I command thee this day.
Tomorrow?
This day.
A week from now?
This day.
You know what? I'm gonna live like a beast 6 days a week, and then after that week, I'm gonna go ahead and start.
This day.
So we were supposed to start from that moment. Go ahead.
That the Lord thy God will set thee on
He
high.
would set the black, Native American, and Hispanic man where?
On high.
Equal to?
On high.
Wait, Martin Luther the King, he wanted us to be hand joined in hand.
On high.
He wanted us to be everybody's equal. We're all human.
On high.
No, he said the black, Native American, and Hispanic man would be on high, which means what? Nobody else would be our equal. You take that however you want it. But if you but no people from the nation of Israel, they wasn't our equal. That was the original state of the black, Native American, and Hispanic. That's a part of the heritage. Go ahead.
Above all nations.
Let's go, let's go. Tara na. Chocolate lang yan.
I don't want to walk anymore. Sugar planet na naman. I can't carry anymore. I can't carry you anymore now. I'm tired too. My feet hurt. Oh my God. Okay, now let's switch sides. Switch sides. Yeah. Oh, your hand is a bit hot.
Kahit naman. Kahit Amsterdam. Pakontak natin. Charles. Ay! Hello. Hi.
Hi!
Pupunta ba tayo sa loob? Sa loob pala tayo. Mabuti naman. Naglakad kami, nahanap namin si Aquaman. Sa likod tayo. Oh, careful. Oh, nandito pala si ano eh. Tutukin siya. Saan tayo? Harap?
Out.
Okay. Kala ko tatagos tayo. Oh, careful ha. For people?
Yeah. Yeah, 4, huh? Hey.
Yeah.
Huh? Oh, already.
Or. Teka lang. 15 tsaka 11 11A 11A and B 15 te.
Oh, ate. Sino? Charles, come here.
But y'all can sit wherever. 'Cause
Y'all can sit wherever y'all want. Okay, don't go back that far.
it does not go back as far as